In this tutorial, I am going to show you some fixes for can't join Roblox games. If you're experiencing difficulties joining your favorite Roblox game, here are the steps to fix. 1. Check Allowed Experiences settings for your account. Navigate to the settings within Roblox and go to Privacy, and ensure to toggle the next two account restrictions are enabled is turned off. Proceed to Parental Controls tab and select Appropriate Age Guideline. Under Allowed Age Experiences section, adjust all ages. 2. Check if Roblox account is banned. Look for any notifications indicating a temporary suspension on your Roblox account, often displayed as banned for several days. If banned, patiently wait for the suspension period to expire or contact Roblox support for further clarification. 3. Correct time and date settings. Ensure that the date and time settings on your device are accurate, as discrepancies can hinder game access. Enable automatic data and time settings on your computer to allow seamless synchronization. 4. Check Roblox server status. Visit Roblox server status page to verify if any ongoing server issues or outages are affecting the gameplay. If so, just wait patiently. 5. Clear Roblox cache. On Windows, open the Run dialog using the Windows plus R shortcut. Enter local app data /temp and press enter. Delete the Roblox folder to clear the cache. 6. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your device and perform a fresh installation to eliminate any potential app data issues. Also 7. If you're using ad blockers on your browser, just try and turn off ad blockers and see if the problem persists. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.